Hey, what's up everybody? Dave from Quarter Flips here. I did not make a video for the entire month of July. I did not get anything done. If everything goes right, I'll be putting this up before midnight on July 31st so that I'll have at least one video out for the month. I didn't make any videos because I haven't really been buying anything or really selling much of anything for a while now. It's a problem. It's a problem I want to talk about. Honestly, I don't know. If things continue the way they've been going, I'm not going to be able to keep doing this. I will always be buying and selling in some way, but the idea of making this like the full-time job is just, if things don't turn around, it's not really going to be possible. I've had to lean completely into other work for the last 2 months just to keep my head above water, and that has left me no time for anything at all. I've heard about a lot of other people having these problems. If you've been having selling problems online, if your sales are way down, let me know in the comments. I'm telling you, my June 2023 sales were 1/3 what my June 2022 sales were. And that's with more items listed on both eBay and Discogs, more valuable items available. Things just, I'm selling about the same distribution of items. Like, people are buying the same stuff, just in lower quantities. I don't know what it is. I have a feeling that it's been a technical issue more than an economic issue. People are still buying stuff. Like, people are still buying weird collectible stuff from me, just not as many things. And I'm not getting as many views on my items on eBay. There was this whole period of time where I was seeing a bunch of other online sellers saying that there was something wrong with what eBay was doing technically, with the programming, with the behind the scenes stuff. And yeah, they thought that was the issue. The few sales that I have gotten, a lot of it is because I've been sending offers like almost every day. And a lot of the sales I've had were from offers. I almost feel like in order to make other people's promoted listings work, they need to hide the listings of other people that aren't doing promoted listings. You know, it's a little conspiratorial mindset, I know, that I have. It seems that way. Discogs just shut down for me completely for like a number of weeks. And then I got a message from Discogs that said the government, I'm paraphrasing here, the government was asking them what kind of sellers they had on their platform. So if I wanted my items to continue to be able to be seen and sold on the platform, I had to go fill out this thing to say what kind of seller I was. And I was like, oh, well, it has already felt like my items aren't being seen and they're not selling. So I went and filled it out. The options were business seller and hobby seller. And I chose hobby seller because I think it's true, but also because of criteria for business seller, it was like 95% of what you sell is mint condition items still in the shrink wrap or still in the packaging. And that's not what I saw in there almost at all. So yeah, once I filled that out, sales started coming back. Not in huge quantities, but you know, for summertime Discogs, it seemed to get more normal again. So yeah, I think sales have been curtailed by a number of things. Summer, weirdness with the selling platforms that I use, which is just for me, it's just eBay and Discogs. But like I said, if you've seen it on other platforms or on those platforms, please tell me about it in the comments. Let's have a discussion. I'd really like to hear how other people are doing. I did manage to go to some garage sales. It's not terribly exciting, but there's some stuff. So I'm going to throw those on at the end of this video. And I thought right now I would run over to the thrift store near my house. I haven't been in there for probably 2 months. And let's just go see if we can find some DVDs just to try to get things back on track. Okay, so I picked up 2 DVDs while I was in there. Brick and Mortar, which is a compilation of New York City street culture. I think it's graffiti and stuff. This is actually New York City Volume 2. And 411 Video Magazine Skateboarding from July and August of 2001. This is number 47. This has got a day in the life of Steve Caballero and a bunch of other cool stuff in here. Yeah, I'm always going to pick up these kinds of DVDs. They were $2 each. They'll probably sell for about 10 bucks each. And you know what? Without even asking, they gave me a 15% senior discount. Without asking. I will not be so offended, because that 60 cents off actually was kind of nice. And honestly, that's something to look forward to, that senior discount. I'm not old enough to get the senior discount yet. Okay? But apparently people look at me and they think I am. So that's something I need to take into account. Yeah. So a couple things. It was actually kind of cool. I hadn't gone over a DVD section for a little while. So that was nice. All right. Let's go look at what I got from the garage sales. What's up, friends? Okay, I may not be buying anything right now or selling much of anything right now, but I still got to check out Picker's Warehouse on a Saturday. I heard there might be some cool stuff in here that I'd be interested in, so let's just go take a look. And who knows? I mean, things can't not sell forever, right? At some point, I'm going to need to have things to sell to replace things that have sold, right? All right, so here's what I came away with today. This Popeye DVD and this stack of, I believe there are 33 CDs here, 10 cents a piece on those. And that 10 cents a piece on CDs is just a steal when you get the good stuff. I've got a bunch of real interesting things in here. Posies, Van Morrison, the Kinks, all kinds of stuff that's gonna definitely be better than 10 cents a piece. So I'm happy that I stopped by, and I don't know, maybe we'll hit a garage sale today or something. Let's see what we find. Howdy. Good. How are you? How much are the DVDs and CDs?
Oh, I think we got, I think they're $1 a piece.
Okay. CDs too?
CDs too?
Cool. Oh, that's a good one. I'm going to just grab that one right off the bat.
And make sure it's in there.
Oh, I will. Okay, so there wasn't a lot there for me, but there was some DVDs. There were CDs, but they were really scratched up, and most of the ones I wanted weren't in their cases. That's a bummer, but that happens a lot. Picked up Excalibur because I've been wanting to watch it. Starleaf, I honestly don't know. This is an alien marijuana independent film. So none on eBay right now. I'll just put it up for a bunch of money. Every once in a while, I find weird movies like this that clearly are going to have a fan base, and they sell for good money. Casablanca, I don't think that's worth very much. And a Time Bandits Blu-ray, which is not bad at all. This was in the free box, brand new thing of Scotch tape. Got to take it. $5 for all that. It's an all right deal. All right, no big scores yet today. I've got one more garage sale to stop at and give it a try. this is sink or swim, I think. We either find something here that was worth the trouble, or maybe we're off garage sales for the rest of the day. Let's go find out. Well, I think I picked the wrong sale to be the last sale today. That was almost entirely sewing stuff. Not my jam at all. I don't know. If we run across another one, I'll stop. Otherwise, not the most exciting footage for you. All right, fine. I ended up with some unexpected time to kill and found another garage sale, so I'm not promising anything.
Hello? Hello.
DVDs. I got the Lorax. I probably won't even sell it.
Esas cintas también bonitas. Ay, ¿2 días? ¿En 2 días? Fíjate, ¿eh? Pero leo. No ahorita.
My curious question is, does anybody even own a VHS player?
No, so I had one of those dual like VHS and DVD player, and I had a couple of them that I was like, I don't want to get rid of them. But again,
Here's the final haul from the garage sales. Okay, let's go over some of it. Got Rick Steves' Europe collection, sealed. It's actually open just a little bit, but that's a complete collection. That'll probably go for 20 bucks. Lost Season 3 sealed. I don't know what those go for these days, but it's got to be at least 9 bucks. Time Bandits Blu-ray, that's cool. This is the Lorax. Do you know the Lorax? He speaks for the trees. We probably needed to listen to him about 40, 50 years ago when they were showing him in school. Okay, these DVDs, I showed those on the back of my car. Here's a bunch of CDs. This is basically, I'm not going to go over everything, but it's kind of cool. There's some individual stuff like the Pogues and Mermen and interesting stuff like that. There's a bunch of Van Morrison CDs that I can lot up and sell together. The Kinks, 3 Kinks CDs, minus the Bear, 2 of their CDs. Good dudes, definitely. Little Feet, some others, a bunch of Lindsey Buckingham. These were 10 cents a piece, these CDs at Pickers Warehouse. The place is amazing. You got to go if you're out this way. Metric, this one I'm gonna give this a listen. Metric's really good. And this is an advanced copy of Metro Station's first record. This is the one with Shake It and all their other hit songs. It's a full album. Some of my friends had asked if they only had the one song, but look, that's a 10-track album. Why would I know that? I don't know. Don't judge me. All right, so that's it. Please like and subscribe, and hopefully I will see you soon with another video, and we'll keep going, and we'll make this thing work. Talk to me, people. Tell me how things are going for you. See you next time.